Hi, this is Carolyn Wilhelm from Wise Owl Factory. This is a short video about our wooden spoon ocean puppets that you might recognize from a movie. We made a big soup spoon into a whale or dolphin. We made a blue tang, a clownfish, and an octopus with those sets of wooden spoons and utensils, that you can get. You'll need those items: paints and brushes, pencils, permanent markers, wiggle eyes, and glue. You paint the spoons white first, and this helps the marker lines stand out and the paint adhere better. And here's kind of a step-by-step information. You select which spoon or utensil you want, paint them white, decide on a character for the spoon, draw with pencil, then permanent marker, and then paint. If you're using more than one color, let dry in between the different colors. Add wiggle eyes. Do you speak whale? That's one of the things the puppets can say. You slide the handles of the puppets through a space for handle on the sides of a wooden tray so they can wiggle around. You manipulate the puppets from the sides of the tray for a play activity. As you can see, the children can think of different stories and act them out with the puppets. Of course, they'll have many more ideas. Thank you very much for listening.